Climbing is not just an exciting challenge and adventure, it is also a comprehensive exercise that offers a wide range of health and physical benefits. Whether scaling natural rock formations or indoor climbing walls, climbing attracts individuals looking for both a thrilling experience and numerous health rewards. In this video, we explore how climbing contributes to both physical and mental health, highlighting the multiple benefits this sport provides. 1. Enhancing physical strength. Climbing is a full-body workout that strengthens a diverse array of muscles. It requires hand and arm strength for gripping holds and supports the upper body when pushing upward. Additionally, climbing movements target the back and chest muscles, making it especially beneficial for building core strength that supports the spine and improves posture. Leg muscles also get a workout, as they are used to propel the body upward. 2. Improving flexibility and balance. Flexibility and balance are crucial elements in climbing. The sport demands precise movements and coordination among various muscle groups, which helps improve the body's ability to adapt to changing positions. The stretching and dynamic movements involved in climbing enhance muscle and joint flexibility, reducing the risk of injuries. Good balance is essential in climbing, as climbers must adjust their stance and maintain equilibrium while navigating sloped walls or uneven rock surfaces. 3. Boosting cardiovascular and respiratory endurance. Climbing is a high-intensity exercise that enhances cardiovascular and respiratory endurance. The continuous movement and physical effort involved boost heart strength and increase lung capacity. Climbing stimulates blood circulation and improves the body's ability to deliver oxygen to muscles more efficiently, thereby improving overall stamina and fitness. 4. Supporting mental health. The benefits of climbing extend beyond the physical realm to include mental health. Climbing requires deep concentration, as climbers must strategize and determine the best routes to reach their goals. This focus enhances cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. Additionally, climbing reduces stress and anxiety by encouraging mindfulness and providing a sense of accomplishment. The feeling of success after reaching a new summit can boost self-confidence and increase personal satisfaction. 5. Improving coordination and body control. Climbing requires precise coordination between the hands, feet, and the entire body. It improves coordination and motor control, as climbers must balance various forces and synchronize movements to achieve their objectives. This improved coordination can positively impact other daily activities and overall movement. 6. Enhancing connection with nature. When climbing natural rock formations or participating in outdoor climbing activities, climbers can enjoy scenic views and relax in the fresh air. This connection with nature can be soothing and refreshing, contributing to a better mood and a greater sense of inner peace. Spending time in nature and engaging in outdoor exercise promotes both mental and physical well-being.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you will subscribe to our channel and support us to continue searching